friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Katana-GF66-11UE-1227 15.6 Full HD notebook PC. So friend, MSI has announced the release of a new gaming notebook PC, the Katana GF66-11UE 1227J, which will be available for purchase on 9th February, and this limited edition model, which will be sold exclusively on Amazon and features a 144Hz 15.6-inch Full HD display and estimated price at $1300. And friend, the notebook is powered by an Intel Core i7-11800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, and it is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce 3060 laptop GPU for graphics, and it also includes DDR4 16GB of memory and 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD as standard equipment. And in terms of connectivity, the notebook supports Gigabit wired LAN, IEEE 802.11a, B, G, and ACX wireless LAN and Bluetooth 5.1, and the device also includes 9,20,000 pixel web camera and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C into 2, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A into 2, USB 2.0 Type A into 1, HDMI into 1, and headphone output and microphone input combo jack into 1. And the battery capacity is 53.5 hours and 4562 MHz 3 cells, and the notebook weighs around 2.2 kg, and the OS pre-installed Windows 11 Home 64-bit version. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.